What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use incoming and outgoing call barring in your device Samsung M14. But before we talk about that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Let's watch this complete video.